Let me guess, you already know you should be drinking more water, work out regularly, that your sleep matters, and how important nutrition is. Yet somehow you have realized that the results are very slow. And that's because you know that you are not inconsistent or lazy. It's because people move into advanced tactics before they fix their fundamentals. Today, I want to break health down into four fundamental non negotiable pillars: hydration, workout, nutrition, and rest. Just first principles. I'm not here to give you a 30-day transformation workout plan. I'm learning how fitness works systematically, and in this video, I'll help you understand how to think about health. But here's the truth: if these four fundamentals are weak, no supplement, no workout split, no influencer routine can help you. Health isn't complicated, but it does punish inconsistency. Let's start with the most boring one: water. Most people treat water like it's an add on, but biologically, you are walking a chemical that's the most fundamental one. Low energy, headaches, poor workouts, brain fog. A lot of time, it's not lack of motivation, it's just dehydration. If your urine is dark yellow, you're already behind. You don't need to obsess over liters or tracking apps. You just need to go glass by glass. One glass of water after waking up, one after every meal, one before training, and one after training, and you will be done with most of your water requirements through the end of the day. Let's go to foundation number two: workout. This is where people overcomplicate things. You don't need a perfect split or a perfect routine. You just need progressive stress applied consistently. Workouts are not punishment, it is a signal to your body. You apply stress, your body adapts, and you apply stress again, and your body adapts, your muscle grows. But only if your signal is clear and repeated again and again over time, your strength and muscle will increase. Random workouts feel productive, but they aren't. They're just a waste of time. For most people, 3 to 4 workouts per week, basic compound movement, and progressing slightly better than the last week will do the job. The third foundation that we'll speak about is called as sleep. This is often the most ignored pillar. Muscle doesn't grow in the gym, it grows while you are taking rest. If you're training hard in the gym, but you aren't resting, I'm sorry to say, but you will not grow muscle. Sleep or rest is the time where your muscles repair, hormones regulate, and your nervous system resets. Especially if you're working a job, sleep cannot be ignored. Again, in this foundation, you don't need a perfect routine, just similar sleep patterns for most of the days. Screens off 30 to 60 minutes before bed, dark, cool room. For all the computer engineers out there, training without sleeping is like coding without saving it. Now let's go to the fourth foundation, which is nutrition. Nutrition is where your confusion peaks. Let's remove the drama. You don't need a perfect diet. You don't need to eat clean food all the time. Food is just input. Three things matter the most: protein, calories, and fulfilling these two with whole food. That's it. If your diet works from Monday to Friday but collapses on the weekend, it's fine. The issue isn't sustainability, it's discipline. Aim for 80% sensibility and 20% flexibility over months and years, not over days. Here's the big picture: health is about alignment and not about motivation. Hydration supports training, training creates stress, rest enables adaptation and progress, and nutrition fuels everything up. Miss any of the one consistently and you will be leaking the system. Get the basics right and everything will work smoothly. If you are someone who wants to understand why systems work in a particular way, build habits over years, and improve systematically, you will probably enjoy what's coming in the future videos. If this video helped, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.